evening, everyone. Wow. What a huge crowd we have here. This year, we're going to open 3 new experience stores. First of all, we're upgrading our existing store in Ville Parle, Mumbai to make way for a new, bigger, and better experience store. Following Mumbai, we'll be opening our first ever experience store in Pune. And the best part about these 2 stores is that you can visit them starting tomorrow already. In addition, you can also experience some of the new products we're about to announce over there. In Hyderabad, you like that? Thank you. All right, we got phones to launch tonight. In Hyderabad, we're gonna build the biggest Oneplus store in the world. And now, for the reason why you guys are here, we're launching new products. Tonight, we're gonna be launching not 1, not 2, but 3 new products.
Thank you, Carl. How to control your world of sound? Well, the answer was here since 1914 when the first earbuds were patented by Nelson C. Durant. They were wired and clunky and you could not listen to the music with them. Little did Nelson know that in 2019 we have something that has almost no wires. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0, enables Google Assistant with voice activation. Best of all, it allows you to thump your chest when you get the right beat at the right time. Just like this. Bullets Wireless 2. Bullets Wireless 2. Bullets Wireless 2. But you cannot enjoy thumping your chest or getting the chills if the earbuds are causing pain to your ears. And that's why we made sure that no matter where you are and what activity you're engaged in, your Bullets Wireless 2 will fit perfectly into your ears. And if that's not good enough for you, let me offer you another pearl of information. We actually went out and tested the fit of Bullets Wireless 2 with 205 users and asked them to try the fit for 1,600 times. And 98.5% of them said, the fit is stable, the fit is smooth, the fit is satisfactory over prolonged listening periods. It's perfect for getting the chills. But wait, the biggest improvements are coming from the inside of Bullets Wireless 2. What we did from the engineering perspective, wow. Let me just put it this way. With Bullets Wireless 1, we were Backstreet Boys with I Want It That Way. With Bullets Wireless 2, we are Queen with Bohemian Rhapsody. And this is exactly what this diagram shows, pure Bohemian Rhapsody. And I did not forget about the drivers inside your Bullets Wireless 2. No. The balanced twin armature driver will this time make treble even more pronounced with its mids to highs, while the dynamic driver will make bass incredibly low. So while you're receiving high notes via treble in an ear-piercing fashion, the low notes in the bass will make your whole body vibrate. It's the perfect listening experience, whether you're listening to music, whether you're listening to podcasts, or simply just chatting with your better half over a phone call. As for the aptX HD support, let me tell you. Yep. It lowers that background noise and it helps you to capture the tiniest details in the music performance and the sound. The sound is so realistic, it's hard to distinguish it from the actual sound performed by a live musician. It's the best tool to help you isolate yourself from external distractions. But you may ask, how long can the Rhapsody last for, right? Well, I can tell you that the Bullets Wireless 2 are compatible with Warp Charge. And on the full charge, you get 14 hours of audio playback time. And that is true. I could also tell you that we managed to engineer 10 minutes of warp charge for 5 hours of audio playback time. Wait, but that's just not true. Because you see, if you use your Warp Charge to charge your Bullets Wireless 2 for 10 minutes, you get 10 hours of audio playback time. Let me put it into perspective for you. If you're anything like me, that translates to binge listening to Bon Jovi's It's My Life on the loop for 134 times. If you're anything like Carl, that translates to binge listening to Drake Started From the Bottom for 112 times on the loop. And if you're anything at all like Shimon, that means that you and Arijit Singh will make a true connection by listening to his Chana Merea on the loop for 125 times. So folks, here you have it, Bullets Wireless 2.
Announce a very special product, the OnePlus 7 Pro. So now we're going to announce the next major breakthrough in mobile display technologies, Fluid AMOLED. The first time introducing the groundbreaking new 90 Hz refresh rate.
Camera, so let's start from the front-facing one. Where is it, you might ask? And don't worry, we have not forgotten. Just one tap, and it's there for you in half a second. So, imagine the scenario, you're taking selfie and your phone accidentally drops. Camera will slide right back automatically, detecting the fall. And then, finally, we have also changed our vibrating motor. We are introducing X-axis vibrating motor with richer multi-level experience and variable strength and intensivity. So, obviously, we are continuing our commitment to 2 years of Android version updates and 3 years of security patches. We got lots of feedback from you guys about that one. So we are bringing screen recorder natively to Oxygen OS. So we have developed one more feature that we call Zen Mode. With Zen Mode, you will be disconnected from your device for a short 20 minutes. And then at the end, something very special. So we think that, I think you guys know that India is our favorite region. So, yeah. So it only makes sense that our first batch of region-specific localized features we will ship here in India.
And that's why today we are excited. No, scrap that. We are super excited to be able to launch one more device which will help us push this envelope even further, the OnePlus 7. We are also introducing our brand new red color variant on OnePlus 7. So let's do a quick recap. OnePlus 7 packs the latest and most powerful chipset, Snapdragon 855. It also houses 48 megapixel primary sensor IMX586, which will allow you to take the most wonderful photos. And the best of all, with your dual Dolby Atmos speakers, your sweet spot is now wherever you are. So I hope you'll love OnePlus 7. I know we do. And now please welcome back to stage Carl.
Well, we launched a lot of awesome products tonight, but what are they going to cost? We got the Bullets Wireless 2, offering exceptional sound quality. These will retail for $59.90. Next up, the headline of tonight, the OnePlus 7 Pro, will be available in the 128 gigabyte version for $48,999. The 256 gig version, $52,999. And the top tier 256 gig version with an insane 12 gigs of RAM will retail for $57,999. All right, next, the OnePlus 7. We have the 128 gigabyte version available in mirror gray, and the 256 gig version in mirror gray, as well as the new stunning red color. So what is that going to cost? What do you guys think? Thank you.